If you're trying to sign in on X.com, formerly known as Twitter, this quick guide will walk you through the process step by step. Whether you're using a desktop computer or just opening it for the first time in your browser, signing in is very simple once you know where to click. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. First, open your preferred web browser. You can use Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari on your PC, whichever you normally use. Once the browser is open, go to the address bar at the top and type x.com, then press enter on your keyboard. This will take you directly to the X homepage. On the homepage, look for the login button. It's usually easy to spot, and this is the option you'll need to access your account. Click login to continue. Next, X will ask you to enter your login details. Depending on how your account is set up, you can type in your phone number, email address, or username. After entering your information, click next. If you have linked your account to a third-party sign-in option, you may also see the choice to sign in with Google or sign in with Apple. If that applies to you, you can select that option instead and follow the on-screen prompts. If you're signing in the traditional way, the next step is to enter your password. Type your account password into the provided field carefully, making sure there are no typing mistakes. Then click Login to access your account. If the details are correct, you'll be taken straight into your X feed and account dashboard. If you run into many issues, double check that you're on the official X.com website and that your username, email, and password are entered correctly. If you still can't log in, you may need to reset your password or verify your identity through X's recovery process. And that's how to sign in on X.com, step by step. It only takes a minute once you know where everything is located. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next tutorial.